Hi, my name's Scott. In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to factory reset a VIP Vision intercom. The reason you'll want to do this is if you've moved it from one site to another and you're not sure on the configuration or just want to start from scratch. So what you'll need to do, you'll have to have the intercom powered up. So in this case, I've got it connected up to a PoE switch. You can do the same thing whether it's plugged in with like a 12-volt power supply, the same process applies. So what we'll do, we'll flip over the device. Before you actually go down this path, you've got to make sure the intercom's that it's sitting at the home screen. So it can't be in any configuration menus or anything like that. It's got to be at the home screen. So on the back of the indoor monitor, see a little pinhole there. What you do, grab a thin object. So in this case, I'm just using a paper clip that's bent straight. Insert it and you'll feel a little button and press and hold it down for about 10 seconds. And you'll find when you tap the screen, it's just gone offline. So we'll just wait for it to reboot. Okay, so that's factory reset now. So we'll move over to the door station. Now on the side of the door station, there's this little flap. You just remove it. And then you'll see the reset button just in there. So same process. Press and hold it down for 10 seconds. Once you hear that beep, it means it's been reset. So what'll happen, when it boots back up, it'll actually make a siren noise because this button isn't sitting in the case, it's not pressed down. So what I'll do, I'll just mute the microphone, just so you don't hear that. Okay, that sound's now stopped. So after you hear that siren sound, that means it's finished defaulting. And then you can go and reposition all your intercoms, so mount them all back on the wall, and then go and do your configuration. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you.